Welcome back to Country Girl with Kathy Jarvis. So glad you can make it today. It has been really cold lately. This morning I think it was 4 degrees around here. And a lot of the people in this area have been losing power. Now we've been lucky so far and we haven't lost any. But I'm also prepared for if we do. A lot of things can cause power to go out. A cold snap, rain, ice on the lines, somebody running off the road, hitting the pole. A lot of things can cause a power outage. But what can you do to stay warm when that happens? Almost 1,000 people in the United States lose their life every year to hypothermia. They just go to bed at night and they don't wake up in the morning because there's a power outage during the night. So what can you do to prevent or to keep warm in case of a power outage? There are actually a few ways that you can. First of all, layer up your clothing. Put on thermal underwears, a couple pairs of socks. I love those new cabin socks. They are so very warm. Also wear 2 or 3 shirts. Like I've got a t-shirt on over a, and then the sweatshirt. Layer up your clothing. Wear a hat or wear a sleep cap at night. Wear something that covers your ears. If you're going outside, make sure you have gloves on. Use hand warmers. Now you can buy these disposable ones that you just open up the package, give them a shake. They'll stay warm for 7 hours. I like these little battery ones. You just put the batteries in them, turn them on, and they heat up. And you can hold them or you can put them in your gloves, in your socks, anywhere you want to put them, you can put those. And then my favorite are these that you actually put into a charge them up. They're rechargeable. You charge them up with a cable and just hit the button here. It'll turn green and then it will, after a few minutes, it'll turn blue because the green is instant heat where it heats up really fast, and then it will go to a blue in just a little bit. And that's more consistent as far as temperature wise. You can also buy these thermal inserts that go into your shoes, into your boots. You just cut them to size and they reflect the heat back into your, from your feet back into your foot to help keep your feet warm. Wear good boots, waterproof boots outside. Okay, close any room off that you're not needing. If your power goes out, it means your electricity goes out. And if your furnace uses electricity to start or run, it's not going to be working. So close off any room that you're not using. And try to huddle into one room if at all possible. Usually a small room with a southern window is the best because the sunlight can come in during the day if it's sunny and help heat up that room. But you do want to make sure there's no leaks, air leaks. So you can either use caulking around the window, duct tape if nothing else, towels, put towels in front of the, at the bottom of the window where it meets. Anything to keep it from the cool air from coming in. Cover the window with plastic. That helps also, especially if it's a single pane window. At night, make sure you close all the blinds and all the curtains. Do this before the sun goes down. You don't want the nighttime sucking out all the good warm air. Again, put towels around any openings, under the door, by the doors, under the doors, around your windows, anything that you that will leak air in or out. burn candles if you can do that safely. These will help add some heat to the room. A candle like this works fine. Put a ceramic top over it like that. The ceramic here heats up also, which produces more air to go out. Another thing you can have is a solar heater or any type of heater that can be used inside. That's either propane or the solar heater. Make sure that they're rated for indoor use and make sure you follow all safety instructions on those. And also a power station, if you have those, to recharge your phones. And some of them are even equipped to be able to power small lights, so a lamp or something. A wood fireplace or wood stove will help keep you warm. Just fire those things up and you're going to be nice and toasty. A portable generator, if you can afford it, that's great to have. Drink warm liquids. Those will keep you warm, keep your body warm. And pile on the blankets. Quilts, blankets, anything that you can put over you to keep warm. And if there's 2 or 3 people in the room, huddle together, pile all those blankets on as a group instead of each one having individual blankets. That'll give you 3 layers of protection plus everybody else's body heat. If you have the ability to heat up water, such as the wood stove or the fireplace, fill up a hot water bottle. Use that to help keep you warm. Move around, get some exercise. That will help keep your blood circulating. Put a tent up in the room. If you're all going to be in one room where it's nice and warm, put up that tent and pile your blankets and stuff inside the tent to stay warm. If you don't have a tent, remember the old forts that you used to make with sheets and stuff as a kid? Do that. Just throw some blankets over a table and everybody huddle underneath the table and keep warm that away. Pull out the sleeping bags. Those are nice and keep you nice and warm also. Your pets, bring them in, put them in there and that tent too, and they're going to produce a lot of body heat for you. So those are my ways to stay warm in the winter when the power goes out. So remember, like, share, subscribe, and dream big. Follow that dream. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.